If you're making yourself some wicking tubs, this is what happens when you forget to drill a hole in one of them. You get a lot of rain. So we're gonna drill a hole in it and let it out. All the rest of them are fine, but I'll miss putting a hole in this one. I suspect it's gonna run out pretty fast when I drill it. So that's what happens if you don't have a hole in it. Let that be a lesson to me and you. Drill a hole in your tubs. That one was full of water. Notice how clear the water is. That means the potting mix, the ground cover is doing its job. It is keeping the potting mix out of the reservoir down there where those corrugated pipes are. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you never built one of these and would like to, there's a video right about there, right about now, that'll tell you how. But that's what happens when you don't drill a hole. We're gonna let her drain. She is full of water. We got a lot of rain and it's got a lot of water in it, but just notice how clean that water is. That means it's doing its job. The reservoir, water reservoir down in the bottom of that tub is protected from the potting mix. So that is a good sign to me. I'm glad I missed that one, because that shows me everything's working fine. Hopefully in all of them. And I do have a bunch of them. Going to show you that one. All right, that's it. We're gone.